Firstly, let's talk about the history of the Shorthorn breed. The breed was developed in the 1700s in the northeast of England by crossing the local Teeswater and Durham cattle breeds. The goal was to create a breed that was both hardy and productive. The Shorthorn breed was introduced to the United States in the early 1800s and quickly gained popularity. In fact, many breeds in North America can trace their ancestry back to Shorthorns. Shorthorn cattle are known for their versatility and adaptability. They are used for beef, milk, and draft purposes. The beef Shorthorn cattle are known for their high-quality meat, while the dairy Shorthorn cattle are used for milk production. The breed is also used for draft purposes, such as plowing fields and pulling carts. One of the unique features of Shorthorn cattle is their distinctive appearance. They are medium to large in size and have a distinctive red, white, or roan coloration. The Shorthorn breed is also known for its docility, which makes them easy to handle and manage. Now, let's talk about the benefits of raising Shorthorn cattle. Firstly, they are known for their hardiness and adaptability. They can tolerate a wide range of climates, making them suitable for many different regions. Additionally, they are resistant to many common cattle diseases, making them easier to maintain. Another benefit of raising Shorthorn cattle is their versatility. They can be raised for beef, milk, or draft purposes, depending on the farmer's needs. This makes them a popular choice for farmers who want a breed that can serve multiple purposes. Shorthorn cattle are also known for their high-quality meat. The beef produced by Shorthorn cattle is marbled and tender, making it a popular choice among consumers. Additionally, the breed produces a high volume of milk, making them an ideal choice for dairy farmers. Now, let's talk about some of the challenges associated with raising Shorthorn cattle. Firstly, they are known for their docility, which can make them more susceptible to predators. Farmers may need to take extra precautions to protect their Shorthorn cattle from predators. Additionally, while Shorthorn cattle are hardy, they may require additional care during extreme weather conditions. Farmers may need to provide extra shelter or food during times of extreme heat, cold, or drought. Overall, Shorthorn cattle are a versatile and hardy breed that is popular among farmers and ranchers. They are known for their high-quality meat and milk, as well as their docile temperament. While they may require extra care during extreme weather conditions, they are generally easy to manage and maintain. In conclusion, we hope that you have learned something new about Shorthorn cattle. Whether you are a farmer, rancher, or simply interested in learning more about different cattle breeds, Shorthorn cattle are certainly worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.